Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a trending AI effect that called Artistic Double Exposure Portrait AI using Google Gemini. This effect combines full color reality with a black and white artistic portrait that creating a soft, emotional and cinematic look, and it's generated instantly using AI. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini. You can open through your browser or mobile app like this. And then next, just simply log in using your Google account. And once you're inside the Gemini, just simply tap on Create Image, this one. Or you can also tap on Tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to access the Nano Banana on Gemini, the feature that lets you edit or transform photo using just prompts. And then next, just upload your photo. For the best result, just use just use a clear photo with good lighting and a visible face. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's typing a prompt. Just type a prompt that describe the double exposure. Before I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it, and then you can extract the prompt using the Google Lens and just copy it and paste it to your prompt box like this like this or you can also tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles. Just feel free to tweak it. Next, I will just copy my prompt, go back to Gemini, paste the prompt, and when you're done, just tap on generate. Okay, like this. As you can see, your artistic double exposure portrait AI photo is ready like this. And honestly, the result looks clean, emotional, and it's so aesthetic. It's very aesthetic, and I think it's perfect for uh, social media posts or maybe a creative profile photo. And okay, that's how you can create the artistic double exposure portrait AI using Google Gemini's Nano Banana. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.